Only Pataka make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we don't find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, was a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the Palmers. Officially, the dancehall Marley's viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel latest track titled Body Language is currently trending number 3 on the trending charts. And UTG, Little Vybz and Little Addy, new track, hear them, and the music video is currently trending at number 4 viewers and subscribers. I mean, your Little Vybz make a statement, I'm gonna have to definitely agree. The G is a world boss, I love how we are run this. And in reality, youth them are putting in the work and I show them creativity and their versatility. The music video, I love the energy. The G them they are Paris and them find some ladies in the video. We are give that dancehall energy the same way. I love the video. Good video. G them say them roll up. Little Addy, say from him pull up on him gate. Couple girl is already there wait. Pretty face. Him say him nah too go nowhere too far cause him nah straight. Right, just so we are play. Big up Little Addy. Little Vybz. Definitely I bring the vibes to the track. We'll soon roll up into the Phantom and nothing normal. And we'll see the track actually do the numbers. We see it move from 12, 10, 7, 4. We see it actually levitate up the charts. No ladder. Some other artists have either have a big cosign or something to get them sung to certain placement, and then even when you see with a certain number of views, it is not a trending track. Nobody now talk about it, nobody now share it, nobody now mention it all over the world. Body language again, something for the ladies, and even hear them as something for the ladies to same way. So I like the vibe, viewers and subscribers. I'm gonna say the Palmers are officially the dancehall Marleys. The legacy is in good hands. I'm proud of the youth them. For all of who did feel like say who the youth them would make it. Even the EP, the extended player do extremely well on the paid platforms. Talk now, man. Talk now, man. The youth them right now at this point in time, UTG are the youngest dancehall sensations in the game. Historic moment, and enough people are going to acknowledge youth them for them accomplishment. Me and people are talking about, ooh, yo, a Vybz Kartel right them sang them, a Vybz Kartel this, a Vybz Kartel that. Big up Addy, of course. Big up Vybz Kartel, you know the something go. Them man they right now at this point in time inspire not only own youth them, but also every other leading artist in the dancehall music currently. But we have to acknowledge UTG for them contributions. The youth them write them own song. I just show the youth them song creative, catchy, and the people must sing along. Who know I say I couldn't them write it. You know what part them rumors there? Other established dancehall artists, because them realize that one thing is on display. Work ethic. And when a Vybz Kartel are displayed, a UTG are displayed. What them a do for dancehall music? Even the videos them a shoot. But some man say, yeah, we are tour over this so, and we are tour over here so. So when not doing the music video, them will not make an exciting music video for dancehall music. Now tell me someone they did it. When they pass through big budget dancehall films we are dealing with right now. Lean cinematic music videos we are dealing with right now. Videos with a concept. Yeah man, videos with a concept. Like the energy. Now I mean, and the work of them are putting in the dancehall game at this age. Them destined for greatness. But I have to agree with the statement. World boss have definitely respect all the youth them are doing as a young youth. When the teacher for them age, even if him say for them a youth, him aspire to be a musician because him uncle them, they do want the music as well. And they used to have them set on them fire phone and them used to, you know what I mean, wall of vibes. And while he was at the age where Little Vybz and Little Addy at right now, he may still aspire. Them actually have a career at this age. They actually have a career at this age. So we don't expect nothing less than greatness. From uptown greatness, of course. Yeah, hey, them start well. And with the support of, you know what I mean? The moral support of friends and family first and foremost. And then the Gaza Nation, Dede. You know the support, the biggest camp in a dancehall music in history. There has been no other camp in a dancehall music of this magnitude. We have to know that. And that's something I feel proud about. You know what I mean? The biggest dancehall group, well, dancehall movement But the thing is a movement at this point in time. Yeah, man, the thing is a movement. The biggest one. They are promising careers. Vybz Kartel never fail for the ladies. And any producer, we get a verse from a teacher, him already know where him have. That is gold. He knows that musical gold him have. By God bless him. All him have to do now put it on a good rhythm. And you see what will happen. You see what will go on. The song will start trend simultaneously to its upload. Yeah, man, simultaneously to its upload. As it upload and drop and the people them knows it available. And them start talk about it. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Right away the track will start to trend viewers and subscribers. I'm happy to see that moment. I'm happy to see Vybz Kartel trending and UTG trending. And you know that could never happen if the song was released on the Vybz Kartel channel. No, it's released on UTG channel. People are acknowledge the youth them for their accomplishments. And there's a few set of people when I want to see the youth them rise. Spread all kind of rumors for the youth them name and try to talk all kind of things. And them no want to see them rise. But tell us I suspect that some of these talk where I make are forward from some other music industry stakeholders and some other artists themselves too. And when some people realize that them can't out sing you after them with that step on stage, or them can't drop better songs than you. You know what I mean? The industry now react to their tracks like how them react to yours. Them will stoop to other measures. You know, so up our thing there. Yeah, man, I move settings. We don't have to do what them do. We put in the work. All we do, I put in the work and little vibes and little addy. Yeah, man, my sister them I put in the work. Then I take it for a joke thing. You have some people have promising careers, but for some reason them take music for a joke. And I can see to the way them handle themselves or conduct themselves in the industry. The way they don't release songs for them fan base and then talk about, yes, we have fans. Having fans is a two-way street. If people respect you and admire your music and listen to you, you have to give them music for them respect, love and admire. So how you create a fan base and then say, now put out the music and I say, yes, I have my fan base. Fan base for what? More like you probably don't have a fan base. You have people who liked your songs, but you now put out no current hits. So where is that fan base? Their assumptions are baseless. Now the foundation thought them I make. Recently with some artists who even love for make statements on social media platforms. We realize that they even have that much followers. Them they even have that much followers, viewers and subscribers. To them are always active on the media. I say them that pass the million mark a long time. I'm check the facts. Them not reach million mark. And to them love talk about song this and song that was them that certified something. But check the stats, them not certified nothing. Talk alone them have viewers and subscribers. And them are musicians and them talk on beat. So we can hear music in the streets. That's what them fear doing. Them fear put them talk on beats. No, instead them put them talk in the comment section. Comment section them gone. Joke thing. Definitely a good moment, viewers and subscribers. And if you agree with the sentiments, tell me no man what you like about the track. Yeah, tell me what you like about UTG new track. Hear them, that's how them a be. You hear them, that's how them a be. The next part of the ladies them sing, I'm for sing that part. I want to. The next part of the ladies them sing, I'm for sing that part there. The part that we sing is, you hear them, that's how them a be. And that part of the G them sing, the ladies them sing the other part. Don't get the reasoning twisted. Like a twist. Don't get the reasoning twisted. But it's the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section, man. That song give me a vibe, you know what I mean? I like the energy. You know what I mean? I like the scenes that were filmed. Not green screen at no point in time in the youth them music video. No green screen. Filmed on location. Filmed on location in a Paris, France. Paris, France, man. Youth. Paris, the man them there. Outside the country. European swag with a European music video. Them not ready. UTG got lock dancehall. Some other artists will get the break and then they look round and get gun place and they say, I'm make it. Yo. Make it. You feel like you make it. Watch where I go on. UTG got forward out and show us such, we still have work to be done. And we have more artists are forward. UTG are friends. We are pursue music as well. More in store, viewers and subscribers. Let me get ready. But the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you don't like the reason, of course, you don't like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right as up on the platform. You know the something about the like icon there. From a like page of a like on the blog, the share icon there too as well. So you can tell a friend, tell them sister, and then brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and join the discussion. The comment section is always open 24/7, no matter when you see the vlog. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, viewers and subscribers. Exciting moment, quick recap. UTG and Vybz Kartel are trending. The dancehall Palmers are the new Marleys. You know the something of viewers and subscribers. Our move settings and my sentiments for you and yours that want to live, love, and prosper. Until the reason again.